The Ford Mustang, an icon of American automotive excellence, has been thrilling car enthusiasts for over 50 years. From its groundbreaking debut in the 1960s to its cutting-edge models today, the Mustang's journey is one of innovation and passion. This is the incredible story of the Ford Mustang's evolution. Our journey begins in the 1960s, a decade that saw the birth of the Ford Mustang. Unveiled at the 1964 New York World's Fair, the Mustang was an instant hit. With its long hood, short deck, and affordable price, it quickly became the symbol of freedom and American muscle. The first-generation Mustang, produced from 1964 to 1973, went through several design changes. Early models featured a compact, sporty look that appealed to the youth market. The introduction of the fastback version in 1965 added a new dimension to its appeal. By 1967, the Mustang had grown in size to accommodate larger engines, such as the 390 cubic inch V8. The Shelby GT350 and GT500 variants, developed by Carroll Shelby, brought racing pedigree to the streets. The 1970s saw the Mustang grow in power and prestige. The Mustang Mach-1, introduced in 1969, epitomized the muscle car era with its aggressive styling and powerful engines. The Mach-1 offered various engine options, including the 428 Cobra Jet, making it a favorite among a glimpse into the future of automotive engineering. The Fox body platform, which spanned from 1979 to 1993, also saw the introduction of special editions like the 20th Anniversary Mustang in 1984 and the 7-Up edition in 1990. The 1987 facelift brought a more aerodynamic design, further enhancing the Mustang's appeal. The 1990s continued the trend with the introduction of the SVT Cobra and the return of the Shelby name with the GT350. These models pushed the boundaries of performance and technology, setting the stage for the Mustang's entry into the 21st century. As we entered the new millennium, the Mustang underwent a major transformation, heralding a new era of modern muscle. The 2005 Mustang paid homage to its classic roots, with a retro-inspired design while incorporating cutting-edge technology. This era saw the introduction of high-performance models like the Shelby GT500 and the Bullitt Mustang, reviving legendary names and pushing the limits of what a muscle car could be. The fifth-generation Mustang, produced from 2005 to 2014, brought back the aggressive styling and powerful engines that fans loved. The design echoed the original 1960s models with a bold grille, prominent hood, and muscular stance. Under the hood, the 2005 Mustang GT featured a 4.6-liter V8 engine, delivering 300 horsepower and thrilling performance. The 2007 Shelby GT500, with its supercharged 5.4-liter V8 engine, was a powerhouse on the streets and the track. It offered over 500 horsepower and modern performance features, solidifying its place as a top-tier muscle car. Carroll Shelby's influence was evident in every aspect of the car, from its performance capabilities to its distinctive design. In 2008, the Bullitt Mustang made a triumphant return, paying tribute to the 1968 movie featuring Steve McQueen. With its Highland green paint, unique styling cues, and enhanced performance, the Bullitt Mustang captured the essence of the original while offering modern comforts and technology. It was a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. The Mustang continued to innovate with special editions and high-performance variants. The 2011 Mustang GT reintroduced the iconic 5.0-liter V8 engine, now producing 412 horsepower. This engine became a legend in its own right, offering exhilarating acceleration and a distinctive exhaust note that thrilled enthusiasts. Special editions like the Boss 302 returned, offering track-ready performance for enthusiasts. The 2012-2013 Boss 302 was a modern reinterpretation of the 1969 classic, featuring a high-revving V8 engine, track-tuned suspension, and unique styling. It was built for performance on and off the track, delivering an unforgettable driving experience. The Mustang also embraced new technologies, such as advanced infotainment systems, enhanced safety features, and improved fuel efficiency. The introduction of the Sync infotainment system allowed drivers to integrate their smartphones seamlessly, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and communication features. The fifth-generation Mustang also marked a period of significant advancements in safety and technology. Features like electronic stability control, advanced airbags, and improved crash safety ratings made the Mustang not only a thrilling car to drive, but also a safer one. The Mustang's influence extended beyond the road, as it became a cultural icon featured in movies, music, and media around the world. Its appearances in films like Transformers and I Am Legend solidified its status as a symbol of power and style. Today, the Mustang continues to lead the pack with cutting-edge technology and breathtaking performance. The 2021 Mustang Mach-E represents a bold step into the future, combining electric power with the Mustang's iconic design. The Mach-E offers impressive range and performance, proving that electric vehicles can still deliver the excitement of a traditional muscle car. The Mustang Mach-E is available in several variants, including the GT model, which offers exhilarating acceleration and sporty handling. With a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, the Mach-E provides both performance and practicality. It features advanced driver assistance systems, a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen, and over-the-air updates, ensuring that the vehicle stays up to date with the latest software enhancements. The 2020 Shelby GT500, with its supercharged V8 engine producing over 700 horsepower, is the most powerful Mustang ever built. It features advanced aerodynamics, track-focused suspension, and cutting-edge technology, making it a true modern muscle car. The GT500 can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.3 seconds, offering blistering performance on both the road and the track. The Mustang also continues to embrace technology, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 12-inch digital instrument cluster. The latest models offer advanced connectivity options, including Ford Pass Connect, which allows drivers to remotely start, lock, and locate their vehicle using a smartphone app. From the racetrack to the open road, the Mustang continues to prove its prowess. The Mustang GT4 race car, based on the 6th-generation model, competes in various racing series worldwide, showcasing the Mustang's performance capabilities on a global stage. The GT4's success in motorsports is a testament to the engineering excellence and competitive spirit that defines the Mustang. The Mustang's journey from classic to modern is not just a story of a car, but a story of innovation, passion, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Each generation of Mustang has built upon the legacy of its predecessors, pushing the boundaries of design, performance, and technology. As we look to the future, the Mustang will continue to evolve, inspiring new generations of car enthusiasts with its timeless appeal and exhilarating performance. From classic to modern, the Ford Mustang has evolved but never lost its essence. It's more than just a car, it's a symbol of freedom, power, and American ingenuity. The Mustang's journey is a testament to the enduring spirit of innovation and the passion of those who design, build, and drive these incredible machines. As we look back on the Mustang's storied history, we see a car that has continually adapted and thrived, capturing the hearts of millions along the way. Each generation of Mustang has brought something new and exciting, building on the legacy of its predecessors, while pushing the boundaries of performance and design. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the evolution of the Ford Mustang. Whether you're a longtime fan or a new enthusiast, the Mustang story is one that continues to inspire and excite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at your favorite cars. Keep the Mustang spirit alive, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, the legend of the Mustang is not just about the cars themselves, but about the people who drive them, cherish them, and keep their legacy alive. Here's to many more years of Mustang excellence and innovation.
See you soon, mate.